this episode. In this episode, I'm gonna explain to you one of the most significant part of the simple past, where we need to change the base form of the verb or the simple present to the second form of the verb, or to state in another way, we change the simple present verb into simple past or V2, and the pronunciation of the word changed based on the formation that it gets. So first, let's see how we can change base form of the verb to verb 2 or simple past form of the verb. As we have already learned that we add ed at the end of the verb to get the second form of the verb or V2. Or if the verb has ended with e, we simply add d to get the second form of the verb. Remember that it is not possible to use or follow this method when it comes to irregular verb. For irregular verb, we have to analyze, focus, and concentrate to find the second and past participle of the verb. But there are some exceptions in regular verbs. Whenever the verb ends with y, but before y there is a consonant, we simply remove y and we add ied. Like cry, cried, study, studied. But whenever the verb ends with a consonant, but before a consonant there is a vowel, and before the vowel there is one another consonant, that is the formation of like CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. We double the last verb, word, and we add ed, like stopped, planned. So the first or the basic thing that we have to understand is that there are few words which are unvoiced. Unvoiced can be recognized while we are talking. We can take our hand and we put our hand on our throat. Whenever there is no vibration, we can understand that it is unvoiced. Whenever there is vibration while we are talking or we are pronouncing the word, so that is called as voiced. Like the word k, s, p, f, ch, sh. These are all unvoiced. You can test it to put your hand on your throat and see and recognize and analyze the vibration. But remember this, that we consider this, we check the sound when the verb is in simple present form, like the word cook, the word hope. See that the word hope in simple present ends with e, but we do not consider the e, or the other words like ends with e, we do not consider the word e. We consider the one which is before that and it comes in the voice, like hope, hope, p. So it ends with e. We consider the e, we add d to make it simple past because it's a regular verb. Now when we pronounce, we cannot pronounce it as hoped or hoped. It is as hoped, th, and the other words based on the structure, like cooked, hoped, missed, washed, laughed. Remember the word laughed, it is as gh, which is pronounced as f. So we have to pronounce it as laughed, not laughed or laughed, watched. But there are some other words which ends with j, r, v, and the vowels. These are giving kinds of vibration, or these are voiced. If you test it with using your hand on your throat, so you can simply understand the word like learn, learn, lend, learned. And remember, the word learned can be in two forms. Learned is also right and learned is also right. So these words ends with the pronunciation of d, not t. Changed, changed, played, called, loved, loved, v, not f. and seemed. Let's see what else is here. Few of the other words which ends with the word t or da will be simply pronounced as it. Want, wanted, need, needed, invite, invited, decide, decided, start, started, end, ended. These are all what you are supposed to learn whenever you are going to study the simple past and the formation of the base form of the verb to the past form of the verb